How often do you masturbate?
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
So, what's up? It's Deep Jizzle Drop in the cut. Hey, what is up, Rain Gang? You are looking snatchy today. Baby, yes you are. This horrible lighting is just gonna be it. I'm doing a Chinese mukbang, I never ate from this place that I got it from. I already tasted one of their crab ragoos. Let me tell you what I got. I had sesame chicken with regular lo mein and then crab ragu. This is the sesame chicken with the regular lo mein. The sesame chicken looks weird. The lo mein looks weird. The crab ragu on the inside looks weird. Usually it's white on the inside. But guess it's not. And okay, I need some napkins. They ain't even give me fucking napkins. Hold up. That duck sauce tastes weird. Everything tastes weird. I need to try this. What kind of sesame chicken is that? Usually it's in balls, not strips. And I got crab ragu. And then the crab ragu sauce right here. I'm gonna twirl some noodles on this freaking fork. If I can. These are like choppy noodles. What the heck? I'm never ordering from here again. Everything tastes weird and I don't know. I never did a proper mukbang before on my channel, but I'm gonna do it now. I have my water. This sauce better not taste weird, because then I'm gonna be pissed. It smells weird. Ooh, I don't know. This is the red sauce that they give. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's alright. But yeah, I don't really know what to talk about. How was your day today? I want to go on a date. Look, the inside is supposed to be white, not whatever the heck color that is. I'm gonna go on a date. But I don't know about you, but this dating life out here is not for me right now. 100%, because people don't know what they want. And I just want to live my life before I get into anything with anybody. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna be trying Dairy Queen's new Blizzard flavor, because I bought one today. Of course I'm gonna some my little man. But I mean, I already tried the Blizzard, but I'm gonna try it on camera for you. Now, there was somebody that I'm friends with. They wanted to take me out to Dairy Queen to, you know, basically like a date, but like not a date. They wanted to take me out to Dairy Queen to try the new Blizzard, because I said I wanted to try one of them. And they wanted to try it too. But I couldn't wait. I was out today and I was like, I really want ice cream, and Dairy Queen is right there. So then I got some. But I might still go out with that person just because I like their personality. I like their, you know, their company and stuff like that. If you know what sesame chicken looks like, please tell me it does not look like this. It's the little circles. It ain't the strips. I ain't never going back there again. And they're a little pricey. Make sure you guys smack that like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna answer these questions while I do this. And this is the dirty edition, so if you're too young and you don't understand this, click off the video and wait until my next video. Alright, first one. What is the hottest thing you've ever put in your mouth? Hottest, like hot, like ooh, steamy, like sexual, or like hot, like spicy, or like hot, like steamy? Hot, like spicy, I had to say spicy chips. Hot, like temperature, food obviously. And hot, like steaming, oh honey. Next question. How often do you masturbate? Have you ever watched porn before? I feel like everybody of the age probably has, like, at least once in their life. Like, we're grown, come on now. So I feel like it's normal. Do you remember your first time? I remember that shit as if it was freaking yesterday. I will never forget that day because it was the most weirdest day I have ever had in my entire life. No cap. Do you think you're a good kisser? Me? I would say so. On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the best, I would rate myself probably a 9. I'm pretty confident. What body parts do you check out on others first? Their face, to see what they look like first. Then obviously I look at their body. Time out. Certain family members, if you're watching and you know you don't want to hear the answers to these questions, just click off the video. Just drop a like though first, and then click off the video. Have you ever had sexual intercourse in public? Do you count a card? Am I really posting this? Hey, I'm gonna be real with y'all, so I don't really care. Are you satisfied with your sexual relations? I guess. If you could do it right now, would you? Yes, I would put this freaking Chinese food away, and yes, I would do it. A girl's been lonely lately, and that's the tea. Okay. Would you ever like your partner to dress up for you? Like, meaning like, for girls, meaning like fireman suit, policeman, like stuff like that. I don't know. I don't see a real like need for it. Like, let's just get to the tea.
Let's get down and dirty. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Lights on or off? I prefer the lights off. I mean, they could be. I prefer the lights off if it's nighttime. If it's during the day, just, you know, have some light shining in. We don't need to waste the electric though. Do you ever have things whispered in your ear while doing it? Baby boy and baby girl, mind your business. fast and hard or slow and gentle? When was the last time you had sexual intercourse? This will be the last and final question because I'm full and I gotta show y'all the blizzard still. But the last time I did it was the end of February, beginning of March, somewhere around that time frame. I'm gonna go get the blizzard. I got the blizzard. It's a s'mores blizzard. It has graham cracker like crumbles, marshmallow melts in the middle, and chocolate pieces, like chocolate chunks. It's so good. It's really good. I advise you guys to go try it. Hashtag not sponsored, but I should be, because from 0 to 10 for the blizzard, I rated a 10 out of 10. It was either this or something Oreo or Reese's. If you know me, those are my top flavors for like ice cream and stuff. And it's so funny because when they go like this, I'm so scared to do it, but when they go like this and then tip it over to see if it drops, and it doesn't actually drop, it's so crazy. I'm like flipping it over and there's ice cream in it.
No shit, Sherlock.
Let me find out. I'm about to go enjoy this blizzard. You should go and enjoy one too. And let me know how it is. Again, if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't cost any money. Check your girls' other videos out. Also, make sure you guys hit that like button. I'm Ring. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
Given that's how we live it, don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talking like they politicians and